Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to do a quick video. This is Dr. from DrESkateboard.com. One of the comments left from last night's video where I was complaining about the safety for every rider was somebody was talking about foot braking. So the other day, actually, I was riding one of my custom skateboards. And the VX1, Flipsky VX1 remote cut out on me. So I was going downhill. I was going about 20 miles per hour. And my elbow's still not fully healed. If I fall, then I'm going to just really break it again. So I was like really scared because I've never actually done foot brake. I've done foot brake at lower speeds on a regular skateboard, on a longboard, because you never go 20 miles per hour. So it's the first time I'm actually doing a foot brake. So foot brake is basically, let's say this is the board, this is your left foot, and you're gonna sort of bend your knees a little bit, and you're gonna slowly just tap on this concrete until you sort of slide, and then you can come to a slide. So I did that, and I was able to. I thought I was really scared because I was going 20 miles and downhill, and it feels a lot faster, and I slowly and I stopped. I was like, oh god. Because you're going downhill, your remote cuts out. Now, the reason why it cut out is because that hill has, you ever see those really long towers, cellular towers with like, you see like 20 antennas? So at the top of this hill, there's like Verizon, T-Mobile, all the 5G, 4G, LTE, all those cellular antennas are there. And I think that's what it was, because I can't explain. So yeah, that was like a really scary experience. That was like a couple weeks ago. Somebody mentioned this. So foot braking actually helped me. If you did not know how to foot brake, if I did not know, then the only way I could have stopped was pretty much, I don't know, like jump off the board. But I mean, going 20 miles and going downhill, if you jump off, it's like you can't really run it off. Your legs are not fast enough, so you're gonna just. So I do highly suggest you guys to learn basically your main left foot. If you're right-footed, left foot, and your right foot, and you're gonna, and then you can slowly stop. I've actually never done it at higher speeds than normal skating speeds. But that completely saved me. Learn to foot brake. That's something really easy to learn. Just go really slow on your board. Just go slow, and then learn to stop and slowly go fast. And I'll have a video on how to do this. But yeah, foot braking absolutely saved me from a major crash. These things can cut out, and I've had cutouts with the VX1. I have a lot of cutouts lately for some reason. But I think. They usually cut out when I'm not actually going. I've never seen them actually cut out while it's connected, like where you're accelerating, or But that one time it was cutting out on the downhill because I was braking and then I let go, and then suddenly it wouldn't brake. I was like, what? So I start picking up speed, and I was like, okay, Max, just be careful. So I was like. It's almost taking like a piss. So once you practice going slow and doing it, and also important, your shoes. I was wearing skate shoes. The good thing with skate shoes is because they're really wide, and they're really easy to slide because of the wide thing. But if you're on a certain different, like if you're like on a, because skate shoes are real flat, so you can really easily slide. But if you're on shoes that have like boots or something, don't ever wear boots, please. Like when you're skateboarding. Don't wear things that are sticking out, because that makes it a lot harder for you to slide or use a foot brake. So yeah, just a quick tip: learn to foot brake or whatever it's called. It saved my life that day. It saved me from, because I wasn't actually wearing a lot of gear, and I was kind of going slow, but I was going maybe like 15. But by the time I took my, by the time it was too late. I started speeding, because I'm already on a downhill. It wasn't super steep, but it was pretty steep. It was like maybe 25% grade. So yeah, just be aware and have a great day, guys.